Thanks for staying with us on TVC Midday News. Operatives of the Nigeria Customs Service Federal Operation Zone D, Bochi, have seized some items smuggled into the area. About 16,635 liters of petrol and sacks of fresh donkey skin were among the items seized. Senior reporter Funam Joshua has details.
These are the latest arrests and seizures made in an effort to tackle the act of smuggling in all parts of the country. Operatives of the Customs Federal Operative Zone D recorded the success in various areas in the northeast. The controller in charge of the zone says this success was recorded following reliable intelligence from the public.
The unit has made a total of 26 seizures, which includes 628 jerrycans of PMS, 4 drums of PMS, total of 16,635 liters of PMS, 6 sacks of fresh donkey skin containing 78 pieces each and other items. It is pertinent to note that the inception of these seizures were achieved as a result of robust information gathering and credible intelligence sharing.
Now to Nasarawa, where the state governor, Abdullahi Sule, has called for collaboration to end the use of illicit drugs among women and youth in the country. The governor made the call at a 2-day North Central sensitization workshop organized by the House of Representatives Committee on Narcotics. Senior reporter Godwin Agwam has details.
Drug abuse is a menace that is eating deep into the fabrics of the society. And this is even more worrisome now that it's becoming prevalent among women and youths in Nigeria. This 2-day sensitization by the House of Representatives Committee on Narcotics Drugs for the North Central states is taking an end to this menace.
We appeal to congregation, people, the pastor in the church, the imam at the mosque, to help us campaign, work against drugs abuse in our country. 10 years from now, we don't want to work people, we don't want to see people walking on the street. Our future of tomorrow is start from today.
Participants at the sensitization workshop are of the opinion that a state of emergency be declared on narcotic drugs in the country.
We must create a state of emergency. And the first thing to do, I would want to advise the people involved, especially the executive governors, that this must go into the school curriculum.
You look at their palms and their lips, they're black. It is wee-wee. So, and it also has a peculiar odor. You mothers must be vigilant. It's such a sad situation. When I go outside and see all these children roaming the streets, why can't we not have children that we can control and take care of?
The Nasarawa State Governor is seeking for collaboration from relevant organizations and willing to implement recommendations from this workshop.
I believe that you will contribute meaningfully and forge a course for action that will stem this ugly tide within our immediate environment. I therefore look forward to innovative recommendations from this workshop and also equally assure you of our desire to partner and collaborate with all who have something positive to aid us.
I'm positive that if we adopt a system of collaborative partnership and effective monitoring of the activities of our children and wards, their friends, and those they associate with, we shall minimize, if not completely eradicate, this unfortunate tragedy in our time.
With the team, community participation, critical stakeholder support, and House of Reps Committee as essential partners. Godwin Agwam, TVC News, Lafia.
From faraway Sweden, the presidency is reporting that the foreign investment drive of President Bola Tinubu's administration got another significant boost on Thursday. Many investors from Sweden have committed to investments and partnerships worth millions of dollars in Nigeria's digital economy, health, and other critical sectors. This was followed by Kashim Shettima's assurance to global investors at a business meeting with Swedish businesses in Stockholm that they can now take unfettered advantage of Nigeria's ever-growing investment climate. He said this in Stockholm, Sweden, where he's currently on a 2-day working visit aimed at boosting trade and bilateral relations between both nations. Managing Director of Ericsson Nigeria, Peter Gundele, also revealed the company's plan to build a technology hub worth about $19 million in Nigeria.
We are here to build relationships. We are not here with a cup in hand begging for pittance, no. We are here on a pedestal of equality as business partners, as investors, because we have what it takes. And to the Nigerian business community, very young people, they are here to consummate relationships. Allah Puts has invested in Kaduna, said they are doing well. So when you hear about Nigeria, it goes beyond the theatrics in the social media.
What we've done, as Tay said, is we've given about over $100 million in loans, and we're pushing for a lot of impact. And we're also working with the government and the presidency to train people in digital skills. So it's not just about dispersing loans. It's not just about trying to grow portfolios. It's really also about giving back. And so we have a plan to train 30,000 people in Nigeria in technology skills this year. We started in Jigawa, where we've kicked off training for 1,000 people already, and we're going to go through the entire north training people on digital skills. So all I'll say is GLUA has a big vision for Nigeria. I think our vision, like he said, is banking the unbanked and connecting the unconnected.
Away from that, the House of Representatives says Nigeria is exploring the use of artificial intelligence to safeguard its democracy. Deputy Speaker Benjamin Kalu made this known at the ongoing 149th Interparliamentary Union meeting in Geneva, Switzerland. TVC News' Joke Adisa reports.
Artificial intelligence, AI, is a set of technologies that enables computers to perform a variety of functions. Such functions as the ability to see, understand, and translate spoken and written languages, analyze data, make recommendations, and much more. It is the next phase of technological advancement across the globe, and Nigeria says it will not be left out. At the ongoing IPU in Geneva, Switzerland, Deputy Speaker Benjamin Kalu takes the stand on harnessing science, technology, and innovation for a more peaceful and sustainable future. He says the theme resonates with Nigeria's ongoing journey towards building an equitable and prosperous society where technological advancements are at the forefront of its developmental agenda.
Nigeria is now working towards the adoption of a national artificial intelligence policy framework led by our Minister of Communication, Innovation and Digital Economy. This policy will pave the way for the ethical use of AI in addressing key challenges from automating agricultural processes to enhancing healthcare delivery.
The Deputy Speaker says Nigeria is looking to adopt a national artificial intelligence policy framework. Mr. Kalu tells his audience that the policy will pave the way for ethical use of AI in addressing key challenges from automating agricultural processes to enhancing healthcare delivery.
The integrity of universal electoral processes is a global imperative, and recent developments in artificial intelligence are posing threats to this, especially the spread of disinformation and cyber vulnerabilities in the election system. Irrespective of this, Nigeria continues to support international efforts to develop inclusive, to develop transparent and ethical AI framework that protect human rights and democratic values.
Nigeria envisions a future where AI optimizes wage employment, ensuring that automation leads to job creation than destruction. Joke Adisa, TVC News.
Well, that's TVC Midday News. Thank you very much for watching.